Hey, Ma, where are we going?
Magic Kingdom.
Heck yeah. Oh, hi guys, it's Camille, and this is Mom. Today we're here at Magic Kingdom because we're finally gonna check out Disney Starlight. It's the Dream the Night Away parade. It's the new nighttime parade that Magic Kingdom has debuted. I think they debuted it a few days ago.
But it's been hectic, so we haven't made it.
We have not made it here, but we're here tonight. It's the 23rd of July. It's very humid, as you can probably tell from my glasses. It poured rain, and I'm hoping and praying that it will stay dry so that way we can actually see the parade today. Otherwise,
we have a lot of water on the ground. I'm hoping it dries up or they won't have it either.
Yeah, there's that too.
It's okay.
So
if they don't, we're going to check merch.
Yeah,
treats.
Well, regardless if they do it tonight or not, we're going to see the merchandise. We're going to see some treats, and you will see the parade. It just, depending on what the weather is like, you might either see today's recording of it or the next day, because we did preemptively get a reservation for tomorrow in case this parade is rained out. I am excited. The last time Magic Kingdom had a nighttime parade was the Main Street Electrical Parade. It's classic Disney parks, and I have only been able to ever see it once in my lifetime, along with Mom. Yep. It was around one of its final performances in 2016 that we got to see it on our 2016 trip before we moved down here. It was very, very cool. And they discontinued it permanently like days after the fact. Yep, and they hadn't had one since, so this is a very, very big deal. We have not seen videos of the parade at all, so we're going into it completely blind.
I haven't watched any videos.
Neither have I. And all that I know is some of the concept art that Disney released publicly, but aside from that, this is all going to be new. I'm so excited.
She's excited.
Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Heck yeah.
I want to just walk around and see things and buy things and eat things and just do things. It's been a hectic week. Let's do it.
Heck yeah. So come with us. It's going to be a lot of fun. So without further ado, let's go.
Let's go.
So as you can see, people are already lining up for the parade. It's what time? It's like a little after 7.
7:36 to be exact.
7:36. First parade is at 9. There are two parades, the 9 o'clock one and then the one at 11. 11 is a little too late for Mom, so we're going with 9 o'clock.
Only because we have a puppy.
We have a puppy now. I'll flash a picture.
She doesn't sleep all night, and she's up by 6.
Yes, her name is Peppa. She's very cute. We plan on trying to get a spot on Main Street. So the parade runs backwards. It starts on Main Street and goes all the way to Frontierland, and that's where it ends. I want to get a look at the merchandise for the new parade. There's the stuff. And the first bit of stuff are these ears. Look at how cute they are. Do they light up? Oh, hold up. I think they light up. How do you start them? Oh, it comes with a charger cord? So my guess, these light up.
Here, look. I just saw it light up.
Oh, yeah. Look at it.
It looks like fireworks.
Oh, that's so cute. I love it. The ears are... How much are the ears? Oh, I found them. $39.99. Not worth it. A bargain. I don't really wear the ears much anymore. They cause too many headaches, so... yeah, they're adorable. I won't wear them, though. So, they got t-shirts. They're $34.99.
A bargain again.
It's so hot though. I wish they had tank tops. That would be nice. Oh look, they got blankets. Soft throw blankets for when it's eventually cold out. Oh my gosh. Oh, absolutely not. Mom, guess how much the blanket is?
$49.99.
$44.99. You were close. I hate that you were right about that too.
Sorry about that.
Oh wait, they got a pin? Ooh, I might get the pin. I love pins. Display only. See cast member for assistance. Okay. And then finally, they've got these. These are interactive bubble wands. Allegedly, they're supposed to light up in sync with the parade itself. Kind of like the ones that they have with the Universal parade that they got down there at Universal Florida. There is no price on these. You know what that means?
Not free.
Well, no, they're not.
$39.99 is what my guess is.
I thought those were the ears, though.
I bet you these are too.
Oh, maybe. It is now 8:06. We've secured our spot. How excited are you?
I'm very excited. I'm glad we got a spot.
Yes.
The weather looks great.
Yes.
Let's just see how this goes.
Oh, heck yeah.
There's not much to shop for, unfortunately.
No, I think a lot of the merchandise got picked over, if I have to be honest. I
was
mean,
really
I don't
hoping that-
remember if there was anything else that they had announced specifically for parade merchandise other than what we saw.
Well, the bubble one looks really interesting.
Oh, the bubble wand is cool, and it is actually $40. We
It
did
is.
not buy it. No.
No, if her little sister would still play with it, I would have bought it.
Yeah, but she's 11 and thinks bubble wands are lame now,
Yeah,
which
she won't.
Yeah.
If it was a Harry Potter one, she'd have been all
Oh,
over
it was Harry
that.
Potter. She'd be all over it.
I see it.
This is the Main Street Electrical Parade.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this wonderful night. Did you know that when a star is born, they possess a gift or two? One of them is this. They have the power to make a dream come true. So come with us now, as we go on a magical journey through the stars and dream the night away.
Good evening, dear friends. Come with me on a magical journey kissed by starlight. By virtue of starlight and all that is good, may each and every one of your dreams come true. Do as dreamers do and wish upon a star.
This calls for a celebration!
Wow, look at that. I made a wish on a star, and the star answered. Wow, one wish made all of this. This is more than I could have ever dreamed possible. The stars, they're so inspiring. My father always said that we're connected to the stars, and we are.
magic all around. And I see you there. I see families, dozens of them, standing together, and they're staring at me.
to be out here among the stars.
Yeah, it's a wish come true.
Oh, Mom, have you ever seen anything so wonderful?
The magic of Starlight is all around us.
Oh, hi, we're home. So we decided we did live. The parade was really, really good. I'll discuss more in a few. But before I do, we wanted to show off this. This is the Starlight candy popcorn. This is a specialty flavor that they have over at the confectionery right now. This specific mixture consists of blue raspberry and bubblegum flavored candy popcorn with marshmallows, M&Ms, gold sprinkles, and white chocolate drizzle. This looks absolutely ridiculous, but we figured, for the purposes of celebrating this parade, we shall try it. Personally, when it comes to the candy popcorn with me, I go with the butter popcorn with white chocolate, Oreos, pretzels, and marshmallows. It's a very delicious combo. So I don't typically go too crazy with the actual flavored popcorn. And this
This is for science.
this is for science, yes. We are conducting
Will it
science.
color our tongue?
It probably will. It's probably got so many toxic dyes in this thing. It's probably got blue 40.
And red.
All right, so I've got a piece that's got a little bit of everything. Okay. That is sweet. Oh my gosh.
That's not the question. Is it good?
If you like blue raspberry flavored things, then maybe. I'm not much of a berry person, which probably doesn't help. You know what it reminds me of?
No.
Remember
Fruit Loops?
not Fruit Loops, Trix? The Trix cereal
Yeah.
with the rabbit? It kind of reminds me of that, or maybe like Captain Crunch. Like the berry flavored cereal that's in Captain Crunch.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Nasty.
yeah. It's so sweet.
It's not the sweetness, it's the flavor.
And
What's wrong with the M&Ms?
What do you mean what's wrong with the M&Ms?
That M&M does not taste good.
Aren't they just normal M&Ms? No? See, I don't like M&Ms in general, but
That one tastes okay. Something tasted nasty.
I think it's the berry flavor. Maybe it's the bubble gum. I don't know.
Is that the blue?
Well, one blue is blue raspberry. The other blue is bubble gum. So,
I don't know. Something I tasted really bad.
if you
That's the one.
which one?
The light blue. I don't know what that is. That's disgusting. Don't waste your money on this one. Make your own. This has got some weird flavors to
If
it.
you like artificial bubble gum and blue raspberry flavors, you will love this. If
Yes.
not, Godspeed to you, because this dad would like this. He wanted to try it before we started filming. I was like, oh, hold on, you gotta.
Yes, give it to the diabetic. Let's give him that.
This is probably gonna give us diabetes. What are you talking about?
Probably.
Disney Starlight Dream the Night Away parade was, in my opinion, very nicely done. The floats are mesmerizing to look at with all the pretty twinkly lights. I really did like all of the cooler nighttime tones that they went with the parade float colors, like all the blues and the greens and purples, with the exception of a couple floats, mainly the Encanto and the Coco floats, that were very vibrant and bright and colorful. I also really like the soundtrack as well. I love the little nods to the Main Street Electrical Parade theme, along with the original composition that they came up with for this specific parade. There is one big criticism that I do have with Disney Starlight, and that's the fact that there is a lot of empty space in between floats. There were a handful of walking performers in the parade, and they were mainly just there in black leotards with a couple LED lights holding random things. like the ice fractals, some butterflies, and by far the most impressive performers were probably the ones mimicking the waves. I don't know, that was just really fun to look at. There were also some princess dancers, and there was only one Disney character that was not on a float, and that was Tinkerbell. I feel like if they utilized the empty spaces more with either smaller floats or more performers or more characters, then I feel like the parade would definitely be a lot more fleshed out, especially compared to the other Disney parades that I have seen, like Boo to You, Once Upon a Christmas Time, and especially Main Street Electrical Parade. Aside from that main criticism though, I did really enjoy Disney's Starlight. The parade has stunning new floats, the lights are super pretty, I love the color scheme, I really like the music, and I love the nice variety of Disney characters that you see in this parade. Not only do you get to see newer characters like Moana, Miguel, and the Madrigals from Encanto, but you also get to see some love shown towards some of the older Disney films like Peter Pan, and the one that really got me excited was the Blue Fairy and Pinocchio and Geppetto. The fact that it is the Blue Fairy that is leading this whole parade just makes me so happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Special thanks to Mom for tagging along with me and for trying some popcorn and looking at some merch. It's always fun when I get to bring her on some of my adventures. Be sure to tell your friends and family about the channel, and if you guys have any questions or if you just want to say anything at all, feel free to leave them down in the comments. I do always read them. I may even reply. So until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.